Okay, so I think I've got a pretty cool project coming up, you guys. So in like the deep, dark depths of the warehouse, I found an old AMC Jeep engine core. And my hope was that I might be able to somehow convince the owner to let me completely disassemble it and completely rebuild it, like just me. So owner's gonna be in later today. Hopefully he is willing to fund this experiment, but I'm crossing my fingers. Okay, so Dustin had the great idea of putting the engine on the stand, and then when the owner gets here, we're just gonna be like, hey, we're taking this apart, like just to see, what happened to it. Like, do you wanna let Sarah rebuild it? Okay, great news, guys. He was 100% on board with this idea. So I am going to take you guys along with me for this ride. Of course, Dustin and Ken will be helping me throughout the entire process, but we are going to take this thing apart. We're going to diagnose it, order parts, blast it, bore it. We're going to do all of the things, and then we are going to sell it. Okay, so this is officially the AMC Jeep project, and we do have a little bit more information about the block now. So it's a 4.2 liter Jeep engine, was from 79 to 89, and we were able to take the core apart today, and we are so excited. This thing is in great condition. We don't even see any obvious signs of failure or detonation or overheating or anything like that. So block is 100% rebuildable. Even the cam and the lifters and everything look great. There were some signs of like normal wear, which is just, normal high mileage engine is going to show a little bit of wear on the lifters and on the cam, but nothing abnormal. So it is definitely rebuildable, definitely a perfect project engine.